Alright, so I could kind of fast forward rather than messing around and making a bunch of small videos. I'll make a couple of little longer ones. So I got this massive log here, big old white oak, and I'm going to try the mill today. So chainsaw mill, the Alaskan mill. This is going to be my first cut system here. Got a little aluminum ladder a buddy gave to me. I leveled it out here, got it nice and straight and true for the first cut, and hopefully I get this one out of the way and then it's smooth sailing. So wish me luck. I almost fell on my ass. Off to a great start. Alright, so what do we got? Our big ass Granberg mill, Granberg mill. I'm a little out of breath. Hump this big ass piece of wood off of this thing. So it's our first cut with the mill. My first cut, I should say. Doesn't look too bad considering it's my first cut ever of one of these mills. We'll look at it from here. It doesn't look terribly off. It's pretty true all the way across, that's for sure. But all in all, we should be able to do some pretty cool slabs with this thing. It's got beautiful grain in here. It'd look a lot better if I had some water or blower, or if I quit moving the damn camera around. But to kind of see here what we're looking at, nice coloration, nice little knot here, that'll look cool. Get the next slab going. Over here I kind of got screwed. You'll see with oak especially, when there's metal in the wood, gives a real nasty coloration here. I felt it right away when I hit it, but I was able to actually cut through. It's probably some type of nail or something, or a screw, or hopefully something small, not very long, and I could just keep going. But so yeah, rock and roll. Time for the next cut. P.S. Side note: this would be a lot easier if I had a second person. This is a big bastard, as you can tell. It's very long and very overkill even for what I just did right here. So hindsight 2020, probably use a smaller mill for this. This might fit on the bandsaw mill if I say turn it and take some more off the sides here. But I'm trying to make slabs, so if you can picture this, you know, I'm trying to go one slab, two slab, three slabs, all the way across for nice live edge pieces for whoever may want them. But I don't know, we're just playing around today, so we'll see. I still got all this other wood to get through. Not with this mill though. I got the bandsaw mill. I'll make another video with that. But all right, Adios, amigos. Bye. All right, so after wrestling this big bitch in here, I just wanted to see how wonky it was going to be coming off of that cut. So this is the first cut minus the, well, technically the second cut. So I can tell already that this side is thinner than this side over here on these ends. But I want to see on the whole slab, this is why I put it on our router table, is I want to see how twisted it is this way or that way or whatnot. So I set the depth for 3 inches, and but it's definitely it's higher and lower in different spots, so it's just the way it cuts. But the 3 inches was for that reason, just to kind of allow for some deflection and warpage. Now this is obviously wet wood. It's not going to be dry or ready to use anytime soon, but I just wanted to see how far off this old girl is going to be. Now this is a massive freaking slab, so just off the top of my head here, we got, I mean, this is almost 3 feet wide. Just this is the thin end over here where it tapers off. Just over 3 feet here. Length, I can't remember how long this table is, but it barely fits on there. It's got to be right around 12. Just under 12. So, ginormous slab. If I get these things done, if I can find a good way to mill these things and get them nice and true, that'll be some pretty fun stuff.